So another EP3 on the Honda Vert, Richard. This is very, very popular, isn't it?
It certainly appears that way.
So we've installed this Honda Vert board in the ECU and fitted it this morning. Richard's uploading our first base file onto
well, actually, this car we mapped. Well, sorry, this customer. We already mapped his old EP3, and he's took all his mods off that one and put it onto this lower mileage car, and then come back for another map. So I'm starting basically with his old file.
That's right. So we'll actually start with the base file from a K100 that we mapped previously, correct?
Yes.
Yeah. Because he's got the same mods on, hasn't he?
Mm-hmm.
Yeah, that makes sense.
We might as well start there. I mean, and then we'll tweak accordingly, won't we?
Yeah, cool. Well, it's a nice car. Let me show you around it. It is a black EP3. It's got some mods. Obviously, it's got exhaust. It's got manifold. It's got induction kit. Yeah, it's typically what we see with the EP3s. Yeah, nice motor. But yeah, as I've just said, you know, the Honda Vert stuff is getting really, really popular. We're doing a handful of these a week now. I'm trying to keep on top of the YouTube videos. I'm actually getting a little bit behind because I've got so much content to upload, but you guys love it, so I'm going to keep doing it for you. I really ought to get some paperwork done at some point, but, you know, never mind. Obviously, tuned in Hondas, it can get a bit loud. So if my dad's watching, yeah, I've got my ear defenders on, Dad. Okay, all dramatic gains. Well done, Richard. Are you happy with that, Richard?
Yeah, I think so. I just wanted to have a nose myself.
We finish on 228.5, which I'm calling 229, and that's 201, 202 at the wheels. Fantastic job. Go Team Dynodaze. Yeah, that's another one in the bag. Another EP3 on Honda Vert. Thanks for hanging out with us, guys. Like and subscribe and all that jazz. And I'm sure we'll see you on the next one, won't we, Rich?
We will indeed.